by authenticating the videos. Not only yung chain of custody, yung authenticity, yung provenance, yung source nun, hindi naman AI yun, no? Plus, very important po yung sinabi ni NBI Director Matibag na hindi lang kasi they use the Senate judges use admission against interest. Hindi po klarong-klaro, instead of admission against interest, public confession yan. Confession. The Vice President herself confessed to the whole public through her own press conference that she did hire a person to kill the president. The president, the first lady, and the speaker. In simple layman's term, ano ang ibig sabihin niyan? Umaamin sa krimen, umaamin sa mga sinabi niya. So, that by itself, no, his weight is sufficient enough to say, is this our leader? Is this our vice president? Is she fit to continue in office? Dapat ganun ang connection, ano.
Okay.
At sa palagay ng prosecution, we were able to make that connection to betrayal of public trust, to unfitness to continue as a public official.